courtesy. There is a difference between the soul that hears others and the one that can't, nor pick up what they are thinking about himself. The loud soul is not sensitive. A bully rules the world, but not the soul. And many make much noise, but little sense. The little trait betrays the very whole, and meanings in one word are very dense. The culture of the idiot is all loud, and only he knows not the thought of all, that nothing say but see. For but the proud believes how well he can the world enthrall. The man of many words waits not until another has said aught, for he must share the many things he knows. For talking still, he caught not one small truth yet lying there, that courtesy that gave him voice and stage, who of its art knew not the simplest page. Those who talk fail to realize that others are being courteous to let him talk. And on he goes, ever swelling himself, because he cannot pick things up, even what is being thought about him. That is a participation in the noise of the original fall of Satan. Our Blessed Lady at the antipodes is the silent one, not full of herself, but recognizing that the Lord has done great things in her, deflecting therefore attention from herself. And the silent one picks up many things. Silence full of sound. There is a joy upon the universe when all is still, when all is very still. There is a melody and music made of verse, and tingles in small strokes that ears can thrill. There is in little things a joy the great hold not so well, for they need more to be. and in the thinness of a page, a weight is carried through the walls of history. I have enough in but a simple place, for simple needs, not heavy and not loud. And where the mind is free, there is yet space to linger on a sound left on a shroud. For many hours yet linger in the air, but few did stop to ponder what was there.